Hermit crabs are a perfect example of how evolution has fine-tuned the survival strategies of organisms. Hermit crabs are found along the coastlines of all continents except Antarctica, and that too where snails or other gastropods are found. Despite its name, hermit crabs are not a true crab in the scientific sense. The primary reason for this distinction is that the true crab has a thick, calcified exoskeleton covering its body, whereas hermit crab is born with a design flaw. They lack natural shell over their entire body. Without a protective shell, their soft and spirally twisted body could be a high-protein snack for passing predators like octopus or fish. To overcome this inherent design flaw, hermit crabs have mastered a unique survival strategy and have evolved one of the most remarkable social behaviors in the animal kingdom. Instead of growing their own shell, they scavenge the empty shells left behind by snails and other gastropods. They often search for empty, high-quality shells in groups under the cover of night to avoid being spotted by sharp-eyed predators. When a large, attractive shell becomes available on seashore, it acts as a signal. Hermit crabs can detect the chemical signals of a dying snail, which tells them a new house has just hit the market. After that, hermit crabs of various sizes gather near the new shell and organize themselves into a line from largest to smallest, waiting patiently for their turn to move into a slightly larger home. When the largest crab moves into the new house, the next crab in line quickly jumps into the one just vacated. This chain reaction ensures everyone gets an upgrade with minimal time spent exposed to predators. Hermit crabs have a curled tail with a hook that enables their bodies to fit inside these burrowed shells. Hermit crabs are so much dependent on snails for their survival that if an environment is not conducive to snails and other gastropods, they don't colonize it. That's why the vast majority of world's hermit crab population is concentrated in the tropics where snails are found. Their survival isn't just about finding food or a mate. It's about managing a perpetual housing crisis for safety. Rather, it's a matter of life or death. In many tropical regions, seashells are being overcollected by tourists or destroyed by ocean acidification, or there is too much of plastic pollution. When natural shells are scarce, hermit crabs become desperate. Their evolutionary drive to find a shell for their vulnerable abdomen often overrides their ability to distinguish between a natural snail shell and human debris, leading them to move into plastic debris like bottles, caps, or even broken light bulbs. When a crab that dies in a plastic bottle releases a scent of vacancy signal to other crabs that there may be a shell available, which lures even more crabs into a death trap. Unlike a natural shell that might eventually weather away, a plastic bottle can remain in the environment for decades, killing hermit crabs continuously. Hermit crabs are far more than just crabs burrowed in shells. They are vital ecological engineers and essential participants in maintaining the health of coastal and marine environments.